So far looking amazing, guys. Oh, look at that. In this video I'm gonna be cooking baked mac and cheese. We're gonna start by cutting our butter, and we're gonna add our butter to the pot. We're gonna add our flour. Mix the flour with the butter until turn brown. On the next step, we're going to add about a half liter of milk. Mixing the milk with the butter and the flour. This is our macaroni cooking on the boiled water, and it's almost, I want to say, it's done. So this is our macaroni or pasta. We rinse it and we're waiting for the this cream to finish. So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper with cream cheese. Need a little bit of salt. This is really the first time I try something like that. Doing my research, it's called possibly pastique. Our oven pan where we're gonna transfer everything and where we're gonna cook everything on it. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. I'm gonna move past that oven pan. Alright guys, so the first layer of pasta is done. We created like a halfway full. Fill it up with cheese. So here is our cream mixture. Here is our mozzarella cheese. And I'm gonna add the second layer of pasta above the cheese. Bit of pasta go into the oven pan right now. That golden color after it comes back from the oven, guys. For that top layer. Looking good so far. Cheesy, creamy baked mac and cheese is ready to go to the oven. Look at that beautiful pan filled with mac and cheese, ready for the oven. Our baked, creamy, cheesy mac and cheese. So this is the baked, creamy, cheesy mac and cheese. Color all around, red in these areas. So I'm gonna cut it open, and I hope it will be creamy from inside. Some of that crispy edges. So far looking amazing, guys. Oh yes, this is amazing, looking good. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is amazing, guys. Take some bite from this edges over here. Oh, look at that. Of that crispy edges. Awesome. Baked mac and cheese. The whipped cream, all that form a really awesome mac and cheese texture. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again on the next video.